our first speaker. Let's welcome Srimati Bharati Mandal, Deputy Director of Factories, Government of Karnataka, a trailblazing mechanical engineer who broke barriers as the state's first woman in the industrial safety, health and environment management, dedicating her life to building a culture of safety and workforce environment.
Hello everyone, my name is Bharati Magdum. I am Deputy Director of Factories in the Department of Factories, Boilers, Industrial Safety and Health. I work for Government of Karnataka. Presently I am residing in Bangalore. First of all, thank you Nayan Madam for giving us an opportunity to come all the way from Bangalore to Nagpur to receive this award. Actually, why I choose this place, first time I am visiting Nagpur. I was very much excited to visit Nagpur because I have some roots in Maharashtra. Many of my relatives stay in Sangli, Miraj, and of course my son-in-law is also Maharashtrian. Both my daughter and son-in-law, they used to stay in Pune. Now they have moved to US. And apart from that, again and again I am repeating, man. So I am very much fond of oranges, All the way, everybody, whenever the name Nagpur is taken, it is remembered with the oranges. I thought I'll visit one of the orange farms, but somehow I could not get any leads. Anyhow, it's fine, but at least I'm attending this wonderful program. It has been arranged very neatly. Once again, I congratulate you, both of you, sir and ma'am. Okay, so I'll finish within 2-3 minutes about my journey. So, I am a mechanical engineer by qualification. As you all know, I have passed out my graduation in the year 1989. You all know, those days, mechanical engineering means everybody used to think that it is a cup of tea for men. In fact, I can say I entered into men's world. But there was a big advantage for me. I was the only lady in the class. But I got cooperation from all of my friends, male friends. They helped me, they assisted me to pass out my graduation with colorful results. Then I got married. Then initially I started my journey as taking a teaching profession because I have a great passion for teaching. So I worked for a few years as a lecturer in a polytechnic institute and I became a principal for that institute. In the year 1998, I joined this department through Karnataka Public Service Commission, and I began my career, started with assistant director, and I worked throughout Karnataka, and now presently I am a deputy director and working in Bangalore. So basically our nature of work is we enforce Factories Act and other statutory acts in the registered factories. Basically we are concentrating on health, safety and welfare of employees in the factories. We conduct many more training programs apart from conducting stringent inspections about the statutory compliance. As I told you, I have a great passion for teaching. Along with the inspections, I concentrate on educating the employees as well as the management. Because I believe that more than just like policing, what you say, the inspector Raj to abhi chala gaya. Pehle to, I think everybody, those who are industrialists here and those who have worked for government, they know there are more than 22 departments. They are visiting the industries and business sectors for enforcement. So, what I believe is, I just want to take people into confidence and get done the works. The purpose is to build a good nation. For that, we require flourishing industries, not the loss-making industries. So, when it is possible, workers are the backbone of the industry because they are the people to give production and their safety is very much important. Their health is important because healthy mind decides in a healthy body. Yes. Hence, health and safety of the workers should be given priority. Then only results can be achieved. This was my belief, and from the beginning itself, I conducted more than hundreds of programs for employees throughout the state to educate them. And apart from that, I conducted many more trainings. In fact, I can say lectures and all for the industrialists regarding statutory compliance, how they have to make the perfect compliance in the industries. This was my journey like, but after seeing my all these things, I got the results also. Even my own department also seeing that, not merely enforcing the acts and rules, not merely conducting the stringent inspections, not merely prosecuting the management, we are not going to get the results. The main thing required is we have to educate the people, whether they are workers or the middle management or the top management. An industrial setup has got 3 layers of management: top, middle and lower management. All have to be educated and created awareness. So with this concept we moved on. Journey was, now totally I have completed 27 years of my service in this department. August 2026 I'll be retiring from the service, but I'm retiring from my service, not from my activities. Yes. I will continue my activities. And this was journey. It was wonderful actually, but at the same time there were good experiences, good memories, bad memories, everything. Because as ma'am said, life has to move on. It is not like a smooth, what we say, our paths are not with a bed of roses, you know. So that thing will be there. We have to come out of it. The main 2 challenges I faced was, first is gender bias. इनिशियल फेजेस में क्या होता है, इंजीनियरिंग लेने के बाद सभी बोलते हैं, अरे इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिकल क्यों लिया आपने, इज इट पॉसिबल, इट इज वेरी हार्ड. एवरीबडी यूज्ड टू आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन. देन when I joined this department, again I was the first lady in the entire Karnataka to join this department. And initially everybody used to question me कि अरे lady आके industry में what she will do, how she will inspect and how she is going to handle the people. So this was the main challenge, but started having confidence in me, and just I have come here now. And then of course work-life balance, and it is every lady who is here, she will agree with me. You have to balance both professionally as well as personally. And finally I could come here, and really I am contented with my life and whatever achievements I have made. And further I want to continue here. And why I have come here, I want to get motivation from all of you. Thank you once again for giving me an opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your journey with us. And ma'am rightly said that women have to balance 2 lives, which is personal and professional. So come on everyone, for all the women out here going out in the world, conquering it, एक बार उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Thank you so much.